So here's a short demonstration on how the connections get made with our premium biomass pellet vent. See here a standard female end with the O-ring to provide the seal. Our standard male end, you insert the male end into the female. You'll feel a little resistance if it hits the stop. So we're gonna turn this until we find a place where it will insert deeper into the female end. I twist this and I now have a secure connection. There is a twist lock connection on the flue, leaving the outer casing with a nice clean aesthetic. So with the adjustable length, we are going to insert the male end into the female end. We will push that until we get the desired length we want for the adjustable. There are 3 screw holes in the outer casing of the adjustable length. You would simply stick your screw, make your connection secure. That's how easy it is to install the premium pellet from Metal-Fab.